I think China just officially ended the German luxury car industry. This is the Zeekr 8X. While we're over here paying $100K for SUVs with plastic dashboards, this thing is rocking a 900-volt architecture that charges faster than your iPhone. It's got a Stargate light show with 25,000 diamond-cut facets and an interior that feels like a private jet, complete with a fridge that keeps your drinks at exactly 41 degrees. But here's the kicker. It has over 200 miles of electric-only range before the gas engine even kicks in. It's the ultimate cheat code for the road, and the price is so low, it'll make you want to throw your current car keys in the trash. So if you care about where the car world is actually headed and not where marketing departments wish it was, welcome to Torque Atlas. Let's get into it. Let's start with the face. Look at this waterfall grille. It's massive, it's chrome, and it's actually intelligent. It has active shutters that open and close to keep the internals cool or cut through the air like a hot knife. But the headlights? Bro, these are matrix LEDs with a Stargate light curtain. We're talking over 25,000 diamond-cut facets inside the glass. When you walk up to it, the car literally puts on a light show that looks like a 4K Pixar intro. And check the roof. That little bump isn't a taxi sign. That's a LiDAR sensor. This thing is basically a rolling supercomputer, constantly 3D mapping everything around it. It looks like a futuristic Audi mated with a stealth fighter. It's aggressive, it's expensive looking, and honestly, kind of intimidating. This looks like a futuristic Audi mixed with a spaceship. Now, moving to the side, first thing you notice, the stance. It's sitting on 22-inch wheels with massive red brake calipers peeking through. It says, "I'm a family car," but the brakes say, "I can stop a freight train." The body lines are incredibly clean, the doors are frameless, and the handles are actually real handles. Zeekr skipped the pop-out ones that freeze in the winter, which, honestly, thank you. The roofline has this hidden energy silhouette. It's 5.1 meters long. That's over 16 feet of car, but it doesn't look bulky. It looks expensive, like I own a tech startup expensive. And trust me, if the outside looks good, the inside is going to melt your brain. The back is where it gets dramatic. The taillight is what they call a coastline light bar. It uses 55,000 individual diamond surfaces and ultra-red LED tech. When you hit the brakes, it doesn't just glow, it shimmers. There's a massive diffuser at the bottom and a subtle spoiler up top. It's wide, it's planted, and it makes every SUV in a suburban American driveway look like a rental car from 2015. Why do Chinese cars look this premium while ours look like rental cars? Okay, let's talk numbers because this is where things get officially illegal. This isn't a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, like your aunt's Prius. This is a super hybrid built on the SEAS platform with a 900-volt architecture. That's Porsche Taycan levels of voltage in a family SUV. The heart of this beast? A 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that kicks out 275 horsepower on its own. But it's just the backup singer. The real stars are the triple electric motors, one up front and two in the back, that bring the total output to a staggering 1,030 kilowatts. That's 1,381 horsepower, folks. We're talking about more power than a Bugatti Veyron in a 6,000-pound SUV that carries your groceries. It'll rip a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in about 3.1 seconds. Let that sink in. You're gapping supercars while your kids watch Cocomelon in the back. And the battery? It's a massive 70 kilowatt-hour ternary lithium pack from CATL. Most PHEVs give you 30 miles if you're lucky. This thing delivers an electric-only range of 204 miles, 328 kilometers WLTC. You could literally commute all week without burning a single drop of dinosaur juice. Then use the 4,400-pound towing capacity to haul a boat to the lake on the weekend. But here's the kicker, the charging. Thanks to that 900-volt tech and 6C ultra-fast charging, it can handle up to 500 kilowatts. It'll jump from 10% to 80% in 15 minutes. Bro, I can't even get through the Starbucks drive-thru that fast. It's basically an EV with a built-in safety net that makes range anxiety look like a 2010 problem. Zeekr is owned by Geely, so surprise, surprise, this thing is a fortress. The body structure is a high-strength steel and aluminum mix that can withstand 65 tons of side impact force. The ADAS suite is powered by dual Nvidia Orin-X chips and that LiDAR we saw. It's got 360-degree protection, collision avoidance, and city NOA, meaning it can basically drive itself through traffic without needing map data. This car practically refuses to let you crash. Hold up, what? I just stepped inside and I swear this interior looks more luxurious than cars 3 times the price. The dashboard is basically one giant screen, a massive 16-inch 3.5K mini LED center display that's crisper than a winter morning in the Rockies. And they didn't forget the passenger. There's a dedicated entertainment screen over there so they can binge TikToks or movies while you focus on not getting a triple-digit speeding ticket. Above it all, the 36-inch augmented reality HUD projects your navigation and speed right onto the asphalt. It's like having a private IMAX theater projected onto your windshield. These aren't just seats, they're aviation chairs. We're talking buttery Napa leather, 20-way power adjustment, and a massage function that actually feels like a human is doing it, not a vibrating cell phone from 2005. In the back, the luxury goes nuclear. The second-row captain's chairs recline to a zero-gravity 121 degrees, letting you basically sleep through the commute. There's a roof-mounted entertainment screen for the kids and an 8-liter onboard fridge in the center console that can switch from a chilly 5 degrees to a toasty 50 degrees. You can keep your sodas ice cold for the road trip or your McNuggets warm for the ride home. This is living. The audio is next level too, a bespoke name sound system with 21 speakers and over 2,000 watts of power. It's so loud and clear, you'll feel the drummer's heartbeat in your very soul. And thanks to the active noise cancellation and double-pane acoustic glass, the cabin stays quieter than a library at 3 a.m. even when those triple motors are putting down 1,300 power outside. Honestly, looking at this, I'm officially offended by what we consider luxury in the States. But let's talk about the dad test, cargo space. With the third row down, the trunk volume is absolutely massive. We're talking nearly 2,000 liters of total usable space with everything folded. You could fit a week of Costco regrets, 2 mountain bikes, a flat-screen TV, and probably a small pony in there without breaking a sweat. The loading lip is low, the opening is wide, and it's actually shaped for real life, not just for a brochure.
And for the neat freaks, the attention to detail is borderline obsessive. There are hidden cubbies tucked into every corner of the cabin, but here's the best part. The door pockets are lined with premium felt. Do you know what that means? It means when you drop your heavy stainless steel water bottle in there, it doesn't rattle or clang every time you hit a bump. It's silent, it's refined. It's a level of quiet luxury that most American brands forget because they're too busy using scratchy plastic. From the electrically retractable tow bar that can pull 4,400 pounds to the smart storage under the center console, this thing was built by people who actually have families. It's practical, it's spacious, and it makes you realize that our full-size SUVs are just big, while this is actually smart. Okay, brace yourselves. This is the part where you're going to want to throw your phone, or at least start checking if you have any long-lost relatives in Hangzhou. We are looking at a machine with 1,381 horsepower, a cabin that makes a private jet look like economy class, and a total range that can push past 1,000 kilometers. Normally, in the United States, those specs are reserved for things that cost $200,000 and come with a waiting list longer than a CVS receipt. You'd expect to pay a luxury tax just for looking at it, but the Zeekr 8X isn't playing by those rules. In its home market, this flagship monster is expected to start at around 400,000 yuan. Let me do the math for you so you don't have to pull out a calculator. That's roughly 56,000 to 60,000 USD. Let that sink in for a second. $50,000. That is the price of a well-equipped Ford Explorer or a base-level Jeep Grand Cherokee.
For the price of a suburban rental car in the States, you are getting Bugatti-level power, Rolls-Royce-level comfort, and Silicon Valley-level tech. The price is this. It's not just a bargain, it's a full-blown glitch in the global economy. If a dealership opened up in Los Angeles or Dallas tomorrow selling these for 60 grand, there would be a literal riot on the streets. People would be trampling each other to trade in their X5s and GL classes. It makes you realize how much we are overpaying for brand heritage, while the rest of the world is getting the actual future. We're over here paying $80K for SUVs that still use plastic switchgear from 2018, while Zeekr is out here giving away 900-volt architectures and 3.5K mini LED screens for the price of a mid-sized truck. It's almost offensive. So, I gotta ask, and I want you to be dead honest with me in the comments. Would you pick this or a Tesla Model X? Would you go for the BMW X7 just to have that badge on the hood? Or are you hopping into this Chinese spaceship and never looking back? Are you sticking with the safe legacy brand? Or are you ready to admit that the crown has officially moved east? Drop your thoughts below, because I'm about to start a war in the comments section and I need to know whose side you're on. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you're as mind blown as I am, and buckle up, because next time we're checking out another Chinese car that is literally designed to embarrass the entire European automotive industry. You won't want to miss it. Peace.